Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Peter. If you're new here, I mainly specialize in nature photography, but unfortunately the last few weeks I haven't been able to do much outside. We've been in lockdown in Melbourne for the last 3 weeks, so I had to resort to exploring my creative side. I've been doing quite a bit of abstract and macro photography, which I must admit I've been enjoying quite immensely. Today we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna play a bit of a game. I collected 15 random items that I could find around the house, and I took very close-up shots of all those items with my Laowa 25mm ultra macro lens. All of the extreme macro shots were taken with my Canon ATD. I also used the 600 EXRT flash along with the diffuser reflector kit that I got from Photography Accessories from Crafty Bells. With each image you will have 5 seconds to correctly guess or try to identify what that item is. So let's get the game rolling. I hope you had fun trying to identify those items. How many of those did you manage to get right? Please let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoy the content, then please consider. And also, thank you so much again for watching, and see you guys very soon in the next one.